Are your outdated POTS lines causing headaches for your business? Is maintaining that copper phone system slowing you down in a world that's moving digital? Introducing Fusion Connect's POTS line replacement, because your business deserves to move at the speed of progress. By upgrading your legacy POTS lines to Fusion Connect's advanced digital solutions, you'll experience improved reliability, operational efficiency, and compliance. Say goodbye to copper lines and hello to scalable, future-proof communication. Side effects of POTS replacement may include reduced maintenance costs, streamlined billing, enhanced productivity, increased uptime, and extreme relief from compliance anxiety. Other side effects may include seamless communication, system reliability, scalability, and the sudden urge to high-five your CIO. Not suitable for businesses that enjoy unnecessary costs, regulatory nightmares, or unreliable fire alarm systems. If you experience satisfaction lasting more than 4 hours, please contact your CFO immediately. Ask your Fusion Connect representative if POTS line replacement is right for you. It's time to connect to Fusion Connect.